Sometimes you gotta pray for a victory. Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came now. It's life, down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back, just to live this life. What's a life without sacrifice? Sometimes you gotta thank God and just roll the dice. Pacino.
This landscape's crazy.
Good morning from the beautiful bay of Cirali. So this is Cirali Beach.
Still in the Antalya region.
Yeah. I think the other side of the beach is called Olympos. And there is quite a few like well-known places here that we're going to go explore. But right now we're just having a little walk down the beach to see if we can find some showers.
This is also a turtle hatching area, but unfortunately it's just not the season.
This beach is like surrounded by mountains and in a little cove, so it's quite a steep drive down to it. And then see the ones behind us and just look at these ahead. Oh. So I read that the beach bars are kind of in the middle. Apparently there's no public showers here, but the beach bars have them that you can use. So we'll probably get like a little chai, maybe a Gozleme or something, and see if we can have a shower.
Hello, sir. Maybe you want to drink?
Do you know the
Oh.
He must have heard the
He did hear the... Oh, he's coming right over there.
You know the
Gorgeous.
Now the chickens have seen that, they can't trust us.
Hey guys, is your owner about?
We'd just like to ask if we can use the shower. No, there's a baby chicken. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen.
The restaurant's letting us use their shower. No, you just jumped on me. This has been our dream. Okay, yeah, I've probably got fleas now, but...
It was worth it.
Hey, babe.
Oh my god. He's literally in your hiking. He's literally in your back.
Your eyes all night under the covers. Your place, my place, it doesn't matter. No one has to know.
Some of you might have guessed, we are at the Eternal Flames of Chimera in Olympos. And there's a lot of cats. I did wonder if the cats came up here to get a little toasty toes, you know, to get warm. I wonder if loads come up here in the winter.
No.
Mate, they're mad. Mate? Ah, this one looks like Eric Cartman.
So what's actually happening here is that there's natural gas getting released from underneath the air, and it's on fire for whatever reason as well. And it seems to have, well, it's called the Eternal Flame. It seems to have been like this for, you know, all of recorded history in this area. It actually dates back to the story of Hercules slaying the Chimera, but he's got a different name in this region. It's like Belleforos, we'll put it on the screen. The Chimera, for those that don't know, I might be butchering that pronunciation as well, is essentially, it's like man-bear pig of ancient Greece. So it's lion, goat, snake, and it's got the head of a lion, the body of a goat, and the tail is a snake. And it spits fire as well, hence the Eternal Flames. It's really hot, it's really going. I've seen people be up here like boiling cups of tea and that. I wasn't sure if it was going to be warm enough for that, but it definitely would be. I actually feel like it's burning me leg hairs, I'm going to move. Again, such an absolute win for coming out of season. There's no one else here. You can play atomic kitten. You have all the cats to yourself.
They're still very vibrant in the daytime.
Yeah, we wondered if it was like we wouldn't be able to see them really in the day, but it's absolutely massive. It's funny because we've seen a video of the travel tales coming up here, but they actually got attacked by a cat on the way up, and like she had to go to hospital and everything. And we just had such an opposite experience.
I know. Cats rule everything around me.
We ain't got the money. Absolute goals. We've got little 20 cats.
They've both got gorgeous green eyes.
Your one's definitely the adventurer of the two because he's so filthy.
He got so much eye goop, but I don't want to touch it.
No.
Oh, look at his little paws. Flinching. Oh my god, his whiskers are singed.
Oh.
That's why they're so wiry. See them?
Oh, this guy's are as well. You boys go too close to the fire. How can we ever leave them?
If you like this type of footage, guys, let us know, because we'll happily film more of this.
You just have to live here now with the cats. It's funny, you come up here to see the Eternal Flames and literally just spend all the time with the cats.
That is incredible.
What's the plan?
As much as I could stay here all day, and I'm so sad we don't have little treats for these cats. But they are chunky, so they're definitely getting food from somewhere. But we need to hike back down because we've got another place that we're going to visit today. Whilst the weather is nice, we're going to bomb it back down here and we'll meet you at the car. And we're back at the van and we're on to our next stop.
Ulupinar. We're going to go see some soleils.
Brilliant.
It's very rocky here.
So this is an area called Ulupinar, and it's famous for having all of these restaurants near the river, and there's loads of like little gorges and cascades and mini waterfalls. I'm not sure if it's man-made or not, or it's just been like enhanced. I guess there probably was a river here and it's been enhanced, but it's just so gorgeous. And because again we're here off season in the autumn, all of the leaves are falling, and I feel like this is such a rare time when people come and see it. No one else is here really, and it's just such a shame because it's so incredibly beautiful with all of the autumn leaves, and they are literally dropping, just like dropping as we are walking around.
Running low on the borderlines, and you tell me that you're doing fine. Morning color light.
It's so weird to just think of people in the summer lounging by this pool with the orchards and it being like, you know, a real serene place, and right now it's like something off like COD Zombies.
It's like given abandoned but Japanese, but also a bit of England in the autumn, and maybe like Canada. I don't know, it's given so much. But then that pool looks like something from Thailand.
Yeah, and it's so beautiful, but it's just like a big mix of all these different places, what it seems like. And it's just dead weird seeing it in this off season when it's just absolutely abandoned almost. It's hard to picture it being like, you know, a big bustling place.
Where people seek shade as well.
Yeah.
You know, when it's 40 degrees, this will be such a place to come and cool down and like have your feet in the stream whilst you're at the restaurants.
Especially because it's like a bit up in the mountains as well.
Joe's on his phone like always.
Just looking for places for us to stay.
Ah, we love pickled cabbage.
This looks so good.
Just tough as that.
That's pepper. Pepper style as well.
That was such a belter decision.
Heavy. That was so nice.
Just ordered loads of random vegan stuff, didn't we? But it came together so well.
I am just very content right now. It's funny because it doesn't seem like it's going to be a lot of food in the down.
The bread.
The bread helped, yeah. The little mummy dog as well.
Wow, your eyes are gorgeous.
He is massive.
Basically, he could eat a human.
Oh, mate. Anyone's wondering whether Turkey's safe or not? This car here has got its window down and the key in the ignition. Oh, big boy. I don't know if he's watching it like.
Yeah. We got some leaves on the van.
Autumn bats.
Talk is cheap and we're wasting time.
I think we can spot some showers as well, so have a nice cold shower later or tomorrow. Make sure I don't have any fleas in my hair after this morning's cat antics. And those mountains behind, they're so moody and misty now. So cool the way you see the clouds rolling in front of them. Disconnecting the battery.
Yeah. So whenever we stop for a long time now, or well, I say a long time, if we stop for more than 24 hours.
Or somewhere where it's hard to get electricity.
Yeah, or somewhere where we think if the battery does fully die, it'll be hard to get a jump start or whatever. I'm just disconnecting the negative terminal on the battery so that whatever's draining it, I think it's the radio, doesn't drain it while we're sat here. Loosen up the connection. And pull it off. And just with the negative off, that should do it. You don't need to take both off.
Oh, that's good. Hey, babe! Wonder if she'll climb the tree. She's looking at it.
Yeah.
Ripley likes trees, you know. Who'd have thought it? Joe!
Ripley, you're crazy.
Who is our little adventure girl? Holy shit!
And get stuck on it. What's she gonna jump down to?
She'll have to like run down it. Ripley. Please don't go any higher, honey.
5 minutes later.
Come on. Ripley, hi again. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. We just saved that. We just saved that baby. Oh. We didn't think about the dreamy. Oh my god, baby. Oh, we just saved that.
So that was eventful, wasn't it? But we're back now chilling. Ripley's inside and safe, down from the tree. And I'm just going to cook us up a little smashed lasagna pasta. Italians look away, the TikTokers would say, but I reckon the Italians would be into this anyway. I can never tell if my own food looks heavy or not, but that's it anyway, with all the cheese melted in. And the lasagna bits, tomatoes, some sun-dried tomatoes, and that's it really. Garlic powder, stock cube, water.
Welcome to the vlog, Sally. Hey.
Heavy scrap.
Yeah.
This is Jess's sister, Sally.
Oh, yeah. Sister.
So we've quit Vanlife and we're here in Antalya, living house life.
Oh, there she is. Did you go for like squishy ones?
I think some of them are quite bright. Some of them are a bit lighter. Then these look a bit more dark.
Nice. Nice. I know, a bit of blue sky. Comes a much too higher car. I think I'll try to find gravity. There's no